Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back if you are a returning subscriber. If this is the first time YouTube is recommending this video to you or you're coming across this channel, well, you're not lost. Thank you, and kindly hit on the subscribe, put us on post notification, like, and leave a decent comment in the comment section below. It goes a very long way to motivate us to bring more content in the area of CAD education, engineering drawing, technical drawing. Okay. So in today's video, just also a theoretical video, which we do on the channel. We do both the theoretical aspect and also the practical aspects together. So today's video is going to cover the introduction to the software, how to use the command, and some sample exercises that I'll give you that I want you to try your hands on and send it to me via mail so that I can review and then give my honest feedback. So without not wasting time, let's go straight into the slide. The slide that I'm using, I would also provide it in the description box in case you are interested in the slide. I'll give you exclusive access so that you can download it and then use it in your studies. So today we are going to look at the interface of the AutoCAD Mechanical. Now for this tutorial, we'll be using AutoCAD Mechanical. Hopefully in the coming days or months, not too far away, maybe we'll also go into the general version of AutoCAD and also provide content in that area. But for the meantime, we want to exhaust everything AutoCAD Mechanical. So once you launch the software, this is what you see. You see the launching process, you see this beautiful window, and you see the Autodesk, and that will lead you to this. Okay, so this is the second window that will pop up after the previous one, and in this where you will see the various um, meaning of what you see there. You will see the application icon, which is the big A, the red color is the application icon. You also have the title bar, which is the top here, and on that you will see AutoCAD Mechanical 2022. You also have the search engine, and we have the sign in where you can sign into Autodesk and create an account with them. We have the ribbon here, and then we also have the open a new, which helps you to open an existing drawing or a recent drawing that you've done, and then new if you want to start a drawing from scratch. All right, in the new drawing you'll be able to access template, and remember in AutoCAD the drawing template is .dwt, and for the drawing file is .dwg, just as in Microsoft Word or Office, or we have, let's say for PowerPoint slide is .ppt. All right, so for us to also get conversant or for the system to be able to interpret AutoCAD drawings with respect to template is in .dwt. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So to begin a new drawing, you have to click on the browse new template, and once you click on the browse new template, you would have access to AutoCAD ISO.dwt, AutoCAD.dwt. Now all these things are standard units of measurement. All right, so ISO is the International Standard Organization. We have the ANSI, the ANSI, we have the BSI, we have the GI, the Japanese Institute of Standardization. So basically, this kind of template helps us to communicate with engineers across the globe, depending on the template that you are, your country is specializing for. For me, I normally prefer the AutoCAD ISO.dwt. Okay, so you can equally access a new drawing from the new button in application menu, which is the big A, the red color. Drawing files are saved with the extension .dwg. A drawing template are saved with the extension .dwt. Without selecting a new drawing or a recent drawing, the ribbons won't activate, alright, or will not be activated. So take note of that. So let's move on to the next slide. So selecting a drawing template. So these are the drawing template that we have in AutoCAD. We have the AutoCAD. So the AutoCAD comes with the units in inches, right? And the ISO comes with the unit in millimeters, right? That notwithstanding, you can also change it even After you selected the template, you can do your changes in the background or change the units and then work with the units that you are conversant with. So the interface, after selecting the template, you will see this beautiful interface, the working area or the drawing area, which is the place with the grid boxes around. The grid is very wide. But let's look at number one. Number one is the ribbons. The whole of the red rectangular here is the ribbon. Number two is the drawing name. So the drawing name will appear here. You can rename it. Mostly when you start your drawing for the first time, it will be drawing one. If it is a second drawing, it will be drawing two, and all of that. Then number three, we have the command line, which is a very important tool in the AutoCAD Mechanical or any version of AutoCAD because it helps you to interact with the system seamlessly so that you can transition from workflow to workflow very easily. We also have number four, which is the view cube. Number five is the navigation bar where you have access to the pan, the view extent, we have the scroll and other important commands or tools that you can use. Number six is the customization, which is a three horizontal bars, very helps you to also um, change or able to put some constraints on the tools that are located on the status bar. So that leads us to number seven, the status bar, which contains the tools from the customization menu. All the tools that are there, you see them lining up in the status bar. Then number eight, we have the UCS icon. It basically tells us the orientation that we are in, whether we are in two-dimensional plane or three-dimensional plane. Uh, you'll be able to see the UCS icon detecting that for you. Then number nine, which is the last one, is the title bar, which is always in AutoCAD Mechanical. If you are using the general version of AutoCAD, you see it at the top here. So let's move on to the next slide. So in this slide, we have some tutorial links. If you want to find more about introduction, if you want to know more about commands. So let's try and see whether the links work. Alright, so I'll click on this one and it will lead me to the channel. Yes, sorry, it will lead me to the channel. Yes, alright, so basically, yes, that's the channel that the link led us into. And so you can watch it on your own, go through it so that you'll be able to understand everything that we are learning. So that's the link where you will be introduced to more tools and we'll look at the practical aspect of what we are looking at today. So that is just for you to try out. Okay, let's go back to where we were. So we have other ones, the title block and also more commands. So try your hands on it. So from here, I think I'll give you an example for you to try on your own. I'm very glad to try you try this on your own and you send it to me for feedback so that I can review it. You can also try to dimension. There will be video on dimensions, and so keep in touch. We'll bring you a video on dimensions. Then this one is a bit complex. We also practice our hands on these ones, but for the meantime, I want to give you the head start. Try your hands on it, and let's see how you are able to do it. So with that said and done, I think we have come to the end of the video. If you like what you watched today, kindly subscribe, like, share it with your friends, your colleagues who are studying engineering drawing or technical drawing. Tell them that there's a YouTube channel that is providing them content in this area. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for coming back. New subscribers, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning.